Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to watch a rather sad story about flooding and landslides in Kerala. Let's watch.
Multiple landslides triggered by torrential rains in southern India have killed more than 150 people. The Indian Air Force conducted rescue operations as crews on the ground worked feverishly to search for dozens still missing in the southern state of Kerala. Cars, houses, and even entire roads were swept away by torrents of muddy floodwater.
It looks so scary.
എൻ്റെ മോനും എൻ്റെ പേരക്കുട്ടികളും ഒക്കെ പോയി വെള്ളത്തിൽ പോയി ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ജീവിക്കാനില്ല ജീവിതവുമില്ല എല്ലാവരും പോയി മോനെ കിട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട് ഞങ്ങൾ അവിടേക്ക് പോവുകയാണ് ബോഡി കാണാൻ പോവുക.
Actually, the search and rescue operations are going on. We are still continuing the search operations. Okay, but the at present the climate is also favoring us. So, but there may be chances for a heavy rain also. घर पूरा है मेरा बड़ा भाई घर आ रहा छोटा भाई नाइट 1 घंटे थोड़े बाद में थोड़ा पानी आएगा.
Just whole house is destroyed. It looks so scary.
2 घंटे बाद में पूरा पानी आएगा. मेरा छोटा लड़की 2 लड़कियाँ वाइफ पूरा ऊपर चलेगा.
I'm very afraid to stay here. We don't know when the rain will come. Nothing we know. So I'm very afraid. I feel we are not secured in this place. We can't sleep at night. Very afraid, and our heart is so much of shaking. It's very afraid.
Okay guys, I want to say that it looks really terrifying, and a lot of people lost their families, their houses are just destroyed, and I can't imagine what we feel. Just my condolences to these people. Okay, yes, take care. I hope that you didn't face these effects of floods. And yes, all these floods, it looks just unbelievable for me, because in Russia we don't have such floods, and I don't understand why it happened. Is it normal, is it usual in this region? Because it's really a nightmare. I don't know. Tell me, why is it happening? Because of the climate change, or because of what? So guys, what to say? I want to say that be safe and take care. Bye bye.